In today's video, we will dive into how artificial intelligence is transforming the real estate industry, and more importantly, how you can leverage it to gain a competitive edge. We'll be tackling the question, how can I adapt my business model to thrive in the age of AI? By the end of this video, you will have a clear roadmap for identifying key areas within your business where AI can be implemented. You will discover the powerful tools designed for real estate professionals and the winning strategies. Today, we're talking about adapting your business model for AI success. And the premise of today's session is really to help you engage your staff, engage your employees, engage your business so that you are set for the competitive world that you're about to go into. Now, make no mistake, AI is here to stay, and AI is here to enhance all businesses. You either position yourself to harness and work with the improvements that AI is bringing, or you try and fight it. But the truth is, you would not succeed if you try to fight it. You're probably more likely to succeed if you work and flow with the AI deployments and AI solutions. So the main things I'd want you to get out of today's session would be a great understanding of what the landscape looks like with AI within real estate, identify those key areas within your business that AI can benefit you, and I'll highlight the key ones that we've seen from our research to help you explore the different AI tools and solutions that you can use, develop a framework for implementing AI, and more crucially, how do you evaluate these tools before you deploy them within your business? And hopefully you'd be able to grasp what Auto Reader AI can do for you within your business in partnering, in developing and deploying a solution to your business. So the key thing here is to understand what the impact of AI is currently within the ecosystem of real estate. Firstly, if you think about property-driven valuations, so companies like House Canary and Zillow's Estimate, and in the UK, things like Zoopla, they provide property valuations when you go onto these portals and you search by property and try and find out what the current value is. The answer you get when you search for that information comes from AI and from machine learning based on historical data. The other areas where AI is proving really successful include the chatbots and virtual assistants you see on different pages. So Roof.ai is an example of where you can get a ready-made chatbot that you can deploy to your website. So think about predictive analytics and the risk of inaction. So if you don't do anything, there's a risk that you'll fall behind and your competition will go ahead of you. If you decide to move with AI and act now, think about the opportunities that will come as a result of the data that you currently have and harnessing the hidden truths that your data currently has. So the key areas that you'd want to implement AI in if you're just starting out and you haven't looked at this at all, or you're just starting on that journey, would be if you split your business into three main components, so customer service, property management, marketing and sales. If you operate in any of those areas, think about virtual assistants and chatbots that you can deploy. So these virtual assistants can help you automate responses to frequently asked questions or initial contact to your website, rather than you having to be there all the time to make the initial response. You can get a chatbot to do the initial response, and once that initial response gets to a stage, you might decide to route that client to a physical person, a human being, to carry on the conversation. Chatbots can help you schedule viewings and book appointments within your calendar, and just make sure that the client isn't lost anywhere in the process, and provide the relevant property information for the viewings that is booking, or any other information that the client is interested in. But the key thing is here, you're having conversations with your clients without you physically being there. And also think about creating a digital twin of yourself that can speak with your voice to anybody that visits your website. And think about personalized property recommendations. This is something else that you can offer. The options are really endless. There's automated advertising, lead scoring, categorizing of visitors to your website, categorizing them between people who are ready to move and those who are not yet ready and require some nurturing. So where can AI help your business? Well, the first thing is Think about this as a framework and approach this in a systematic way. If you have a system of approaching different areas within your business, then you can identify the areas where you feel AI would make a difference. And that would also help you identify your return on investment and how you can assess if there's a positive return on investment or otherwise. So analyze your business model, identify those key areas, think about the goals that you set for your business for this year and how you can achieve those goals with assistance from AI. So the main tasks that tend to be right for AI would be repetitive tasks, anything that consumes time, mundane tasks. These things are right for AI, and you should be looking at implementing AI in those areas. Form filling, responding to clients with the same information every month, and assessing different types of information. All those things are ripe. Customer relationship management, so your CRM systems and lead generation. These are all areas where AI is making a difference in different organizations, and you can implement something pretty quickly within your organization. So you can also explore AI-powered CRMs. If your CRM isn't currently AI-powered, let's say you're just using a spreadsheet, you can move to something like Airtable and have APIs interact with Airtable to extract information and bring more knowledge to your agents or to your business. And think about chatbots and using hybrid chatbots, so chatbots that are not just rule-based, but chatbots that are rule-based and also automated, and also come up with rules based on how the conversation proceeds. Automated valuation models, these are AVMs that have been used in many banks now. So quite a lot of banks value properties, do desktop valuations. Those desktop valuations are based on automated valuation models, and these models are trained based on historical data, and that's where AI comes in. Within your workflows, you might decide to integrate some AVM model in terms of creating the package for your clients and or advising your clients on when to invest or when there's an opportunity placed in front of them. In terms of the visual side of things, think about virtual staging and virtual tours. So virtual staging has become something really big. Imagine an empty space that you're marketing or you're trying to sell. With virtual staging, you can actually fill up that space with furniture to the taste of your client, and you can vary that within seconds just based on prompts or questions that you ask on the virtual staging provider's website. So there are challenges that people perceive when it comes to adopting AI, and the top ones tend to be the cost of deploying AI, the resistance to change from current employees, and any data privacy or security. And to overcome these is fairly straightforward, and it's something that's quite known and been done a lot by your competition and other companies within your real estate niche or other verticals. So firstly, you want to start with budgeting. Make sure you know what the financing options are for any solution you want to deploy. In terms of resistance to change, think about training, think about carrying them along, especially for tasks that are mundane and take a lot of time. The people fulfilling those roles would probably appreciate some assistance and some guidance. So AI is never going to be fully replacing the human being. Right now, every AI solution we recommend and we deploy has a human being in the loop that would do the final sign-off. So the experts benefit a lot more from AI than those who don't give it any thought. So anything that is being done manually right now, bring AI in, and that would supercharge that whole process. And in terms of data privacy, there's always the data protection, and there are best practices that you can deploy within your organization to ensure that you meet all the protocols and all the compliance requirements. So how would you build this step-by-step guide for adopting AI? First of all, you want to do research and identify the solutions. So within this research field, research section, I would say make sure you have your goals clear, what it is you want to achieve, and then you do research based on the goals and what you want to achieve. So if you say you want to increase the number of leads you receive and the number of leads you want to process, then your AI tool has to match with that goal, and that goal is what will drive the decision that you make and help you determine if you've actually achieved your goal or if the AI solution has actually benefited your business. Now also think about what the return on investment is likely to be for this solution that you're researching. Then once you've decided the product you're going to go with and the deployment process and the deployment agreement with any AI deployment partner, you'd want to select a subsection of your business to do the testing with. So you might decide, okay, I want to do this, I want to deploy this AI tool just for the specific county that I'm interested in. And then you see if it makes any difference. Everything boils down to the data. So the data you collect beforehand and the data after, post the event, that would help you determine if it's made a difference or not. Then the final thing is also think about integrating this into the rest of your workflow so that it becomes a seamless part of your team rather than a friction-based solution that someone has to remember to talk to when as part of the normal operation of your business. So AutoRead.ai can be your implementation partner in this journey. You don't have to do it all by yourself. You can engage a company that is used to doing this type of solution. So AutoRead.ai, we're a team of AI specialists and we're passionate about getting real estate onto this AI gravy train. Right now is a fantastic opportunity that has been presented to us, and we need to take advantage of this as quickly as possible before it becomes common base and common knowledge. So our services include customization of AI tools just to meet your specific business goals. The integration with your current systems will help you with that, and ongoing support after the solution has been deployed to your organization, so you're not left to handle this all by yourself. You can partner with us. Make contact with us. You can send us an email via autoread.ai or visit our website and request to be added to the waitlist for an AI audit. And as part of this audit, we'll be able to determine what solutions are best applied to your organization in the short, medium, and long term. We specialize in automating business growth and chatbots, and we talk AI to every organization with whom we work. So feel free to reach out to us. We're also present and active on the social media platforms, so Instagram, Facebook, X, LinkedIn, and YouTube. So do feel free to reach out to us, ask any question you may have. Do leave a comment in the comment section. If there are any questions you have, reach out to us and we'll be very happy to assist you. So thank you so much for your time, and until next time, keep winning.